If you're looking for an easy way to get to Netflix, Disney Plus, Peacock, Prime Video, any of your favorite things, you are absolutely going to love the Amazon Fire Stick. It comes with this right over here. So this is going to be your actual remote for this. You're going to get 4K. This is one of the newer versions of this. And you get the Wi-Fi, you get Wi-Fi 6. If you pull this down right over here, you can talk to it and get things done. All you have to do is simply plug the HDMI into your computer or your TV, the back of your TV right over there. This is a device itself. It's super easy. And then whenever you want to, if you just want to do Netflix, you can just hit this button right over here and it's going to take us right over there. If you want to do Prime Video, it's going to do that. So super easy to use, really easy to set up. If you're looking for a great way to stream from any TV, definitely check this out.